Student, now here we solve some question of a miscellaneous exercise of chapter 7. First question given, how many words with or without meaning, each of two vowels and three consonant can be formed from the letter of the word. Here word given DAUGHTER, daughter. This word DAUGHTER contain A, E, U, three vowels, and D, G, H, T, R, that is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 consonant. Okay. Here we want to form words of two vowels and three consonants. So first we select two vowels out of three vowels and three consonant out of five consonant. So number of selection of two vowels and three consonant is equal to, here equal to, select two vowels out of three consonant, that is 3C2, into three consonant out of five consonant, that is 5C3. So is equal to 3C2 is equal to 3 factorial upon 3 minus 2, that is 1 factorial, into 2 factorial into 5 factorial upon 5 minus 3, that is 2 factorial, into 3 factorial. So is equal to 3 factorial cancel. Here 5 factorial, that is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 upon, here 1 factorial, that is 1. 2 factorial is equal to 2 into 1. Here 2 factorial is equal to 2 into 1. Here 3 factorial from both cancel. So is equal to, here 2, 2, 4. So 5, 3, 15, 15 to 30. Clear? Each word contain a 5 letter, and a 5 letter can be arranged in a 5 factorial different way. So total number of word is equal to 30 into 5 factorial is equal to, here 30 into 5 factorial, that is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So is equal to, using calculator we find this number is equal to 120 into 3, that is 3600. So total number of words is equal to 3600. Clear? Now question number 2. How many words with or without a meaning can be formed using all the letter of the word? Equation TION. At a time show that the vowel and consonant occur together. Here this word contain vowel A, E, I, O, U. That is a word contain A, E, I, O, U. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 vowel. Add consonant. First a Q, then a T, then a N, 3 consonant. Clear? Now 5 vowel we make at one group, and 3 consonant take at second group. So 5 vowels can arrange in a 5 factorial different way, and 3 consonant arrange in a 3 different way, and both group of vowels and the consonant also interchange each other, so can be happen in a 2 factorial way. So number of such words is equal to 5 factorial into 3 factorial into 2 factorial. Now 5 vowels can arrange in 5 factorial way, and 3 consonant can arrange in a 3 factorial way. Okay, in a 3 factorial way. Also 2 group of vowel and consonant arrange a 2 way. Two factorial or 2 ways. Therefore, total number of words, word is equal to 5 factorial. First arrange this vowels into 3 factorial, arrange this consonant into arrange this group 2 factorial, that is 2. So 5 factorial, that is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, and 3 factorial, that is 3 into 2 into 1 into 2. So using calculator find this number 1440. Clear? Now question number 3rd. A committee of 7, total member of a committee is equal to 7, has to form from 9 boys and 4 girls. In how many ways can this be done when committee consists of number 1 exactly 3 girls, number 2 at least 3 girls, and number next last third almost 3 girl. Okay, first here we want to form committee of a 7 member. Here total number of boy given 9 and total number of girl given 4. So first we think about number of committee contain exactly 3 girl. Exactly 3 girls, that means not more not less, exactly 3 girls. So first we select 3 girls out of 4 girls and remaining to form a committee of 7 members. So remaining here 7 minus 4 3, that is a 4 person from a 9 boy. Okay, so first number of committee contain exactly 3 girl is equal to, here is equal to, first select 3 girls out of 4 girls, so 4C3 into remaining 4 person from 9 boy, so 9C4. Clear? Here total becomes 4 plus 3 7, that is the number of committee member. 4C3 is equal to 4 factorial upon 4 minus 3, that is 1 factorial, into 3 factorial into 9 factorial upon 9 minus 4, that is 5 factorial, into 4 factorial is equal to, here 4 factorial from both cancel, 9 factorial, that is 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 factorial upon 3 factorial, that is 3 into 2 into 1 into 5 factorial. 5 factorial from both cancel. Here 3 to 6 cancel. So is equal to 9 into 8 into 7. Using calculator find these numbers. We have 504. Okay. Now number 2. At least 3 girl. Remember this, at least 3. So here total number of girl is equal to 4 given. So come se come 3, that is at least 3. So first we select 3 girls out of 4 girls and remaining 4 out of 9 boy, plus, or that is a plus, select 4 from 4 and remaining here 3 person from 9 boy. Okay, so number of committee, here number of committee is equal to, first select 3 girls out of given 4 girls, that is 4C3, and remaining 4 person out of 9 boy, or that is a plus, select 4 girls out of 4 girls and remaining 3 person out of 9 boy. Now 4C3 is equal to 4 factorial upon 4 minus 3, that is 1 factorial, into 3 factorial into 9c4 is equal to 9 factorial upon 5 factorial into 4 factorial plus 4c4 that is a 4 factorial upon 4 minus 4 that is a 0 factorial into 4 factorial into 9c3 that is 9 factorial upon 9 minus 3 that is 6 factorial into 3 factorial. So is equal to, here 4 factorial from both cancel, 9 factorial that is 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5, then right factorial upon 3 factorial that is 3 into 2 into 5 factorial. Okay, here 5 factorial from both cancel plus here 4 cancel, 9 factorial that is 9 into 8 into 6 into here write a factorial upon 6 factorial into 3 that is 3 factorial that is 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, so is equal to 3 to 6 cancel, here 6 factorial cancel, here 3 9 and 4 to 8, and using calculator find this number is equal to becomes 504 plus 84 is equal to 588. Clear? Now third, almost 3 girls, almost 3 girls, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 3 girls, that is a number of committee is equal to almost 3 girls, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 3 girls. That means first select 3 girls out of 4 girls, and to form a number of committee members 7, remaining 4 person select from 9 boy, or that is plus maximum number of girls is equal to 3. Now reduce 1, so 2 out of 4, and here increase 1 remaining person, 5 from 9. Clear? Plus, or number of committee contain 1 girls out of 4 girls and 6 remaining person, 6 from 9 person, 9 boy, or that is a plus no girls out of 4 girls and all 7 person out of 9 boys. So is equal to, here 4c3 is equal to 4 factorial upon 4 minus 3 that is 1 factorial into 3 factorial into 9c4 that is 9 factorial upon 9 minus 4 that is 5 factorial into 4 factorial plus 4c2 that is 4 factorial upon 4 minus 2 that is 2 factorial into 2 factorial into 9c5 that is 9 factorial upon 9 minus 5 that is 4 factorial into 5 factorial. Clear? Plus 4c1 that is 4 factorial upon 4 minus 1 that is 3 factorial into 1 factorial into 966 is equal to 9 factorial upon 9 minus 6 that is 3 factorial into 6 factorial plus 4c0 that is a 4 factorial upon 4 factorial into 0 factorial or 1, and 9c7 is equal to 9 factorial upon 9 minus 7 that is 2 factorial into 7 factorial. So is equal to, now simplify this, 4 factorial that is a 4, first remove this 4 factorial from both cancel, 9 factorial that is a 9 factorial, 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3, here write up to 5 factor because 5 factor already given, upon 3 factor, that is 3 into 2 into 1 into 5 factor. Here 5 factor from both cancel. Similarly here 5 factor cancel, 9 factor up, expand up to these terms, plus 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 factor upon 2 factor, that is 2 into 1, 2 factor, 2 into 1, 5 factor, 5 factor from both cancel. So plus, now here 4 factor upon 3 factor, that is 3 into 2 into 1 into 9 factor, that is 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factor upon 3 factor, 3 to 1, here 4 factor, that is 4 into 3 factor, write this into factorial form, okay, into here 6 factor plus 4 factor, here this become 1, 9 factor, that is expanded from 9 into 8 into 7, then write factor upon 2 into 1, that is 2, upon 7 factorial, 7 factorial from both cancel, 6 factorial cancel, here 3 factorial also cancel, here 3, 9 and 2, 4. Now using calculator find these numbers. We have 504, here simplification 3 to 6, okay, plus 756 plus here 2 to 4 to 8, and simplify this using the calculator, plus these numbers is equal to become 336 plus here 4 to 8, 36. So is equal to, total numbers is equal to becomes 1632. Using calculator we saw get this number, okay. Now remaining question all the same, so try to solve all remaining question yourself. In next lecture we discuss about next chapter. Okay, bye.